In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote ClickBank products using Microsoft Ads, so stay tuned. So if you've never heard of ClickBank, it's a marketplace where there are tons of products that sellers like to allow affiliates to come in and promote their products. It's an amazing marketplace where you can find all different types of offers to promote. And if you have your own offer, you can allow ClickBank to put it in their ecosystem and people can come find your offer, promote it, and make you even more money. So if you're in affiliate marketing and you're trying to figure out, how do I promote products and get affiliate commissions? Then you gotta go to ClickBank and you gotta use Microsoft Ads. So why ClickBank and why Microsoft Ads? ClickBank is one of the easiest affiliate networks to be a part of and to sign up for, and it has some of the best products on the market. And Microsoft Ads is really untapped. It has low competition on the Bing search network, and they have loose restrictions on compliance. So you can promote any type of offer on Microsoft Ads, which is amazing. Forget the old days of using Facebook and Google and Pinterest. Use Microsoft Ads. I'm gonna show you through a series of tutorials how to take a ClickBank offer and promote it with Microsoft Ads. So I'm on ClickBank and I looked up Ted's Woodworking, which is a super popular, highly profitable, high ROI product. So if we click on it to get some more context, it's basically a series of plans used to make different wood projects. So it's a lot of people that want to build like crafts and different things, and it's all the plans for that. And it has a video talking about how you can do that, and it has an offer and you can promote it as an affiliate. So the first part of any promotional offer that you're trying to do as an affiliate is how are you going to promote it? Well, if you use Microsoft Ads, you're going to have to use keyword research to figure out what terms people might look for this product for. So what you can do is you can look around on the page with the product and you can see, okay, it's got wood plans, largest collection of wood plans. It's talking about how to make wood projects. You can look at some of the different projects like cutting materials list, detailed schematics, so like how to build like a rocking chair, or how to build like some of these things, right? So these are some of the keywords that you can look up. When you're doing keyword research for something like search traffic, you have to be incredibly precise. You don't want to say something just like woodworking. That's way too broad. You have to say something like really big woodworking plans, or thorough woodworking plans, or DIY woodworking plans for beginners, all these different variations. And you want to use keyword match modifiers to maximize your ROI and generate more sales. If you don't know what keyword match modifiers are, don't worry. I have another video for you. I'll put it in the card above and you can check it out. So if we want to do keyword research for this product, we got to go into Microsoft Ads to start. So I'm on Microsoft Ads. You'll need to create an account, and once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. You want to go to Tools and then Keyword Planner. The Keyword Planner is the tool we're going to be using to do our research for the Bing search network. So we can see what people are searching for and what we can tap into so we can match the intent to the product. This way our ads will find those people that are willing to buy and we can generate sales fast. So what you want to do is you want to go under Find New Keywords and you want to search a different product. You can put your landing page and your product category so it can help you find different keywords based on that information. And then you can also put your targeting. I want to make sure I'm doing the search networks that are through Bing. You want to put in your negative keywords and make sure you're not getting anything that says free, because you don't want people that want free, zero cost, no commitment, stuff like that. You want within the last 12 months or even a shorter period of time so you know it's recent data you're working with. You can also filter on the number of searches and the bid. Generally, when you're doing pay-per-click, you want to make sure that you have low competition but high relevance, meaning that it's not going to cost you that much. There aren't that many people that are trying to bid on those keywords in Microsoft Ads, and you can take advantage of it because it's super relevant for your product. So we're going to put in here woodworking plans, and we're going to see what comes up here. So we're going to click Get Suggestions, and we can filter it later. So it looks like the competition's pretty low. So it says Best Woodworking Plan, DIY Woodworking Plan, and then all these different ones, right? So what we could do, we can look at these ad group suggestions or the keyword suggestions, which will get us the close-knit keywords that we need to put into our campaign. We can see that Woodworking Plans itself is high competition, but it's not very long tail. What that means is that it's a very short word that's not super specific. You want to get more specific because you're going to hone in on that intent. Woodworking DIY plans, although it's only 10 searches monthly, the competition's really low. So if somebody searches this and clicks on yours and you have a good landing page, you're probably going to get that conversion. You're probably going to be number one on that list. What you can do is you can sort by the number of searches by clicking this button here. There are more searches with like woodworking projects and fine woodworking. These are more broad, so we don't want these ones. You also want to have a lower competition. A lot of these are high or medium. So we can go over to our filter and search options. We can click filter, and let's say we want at least 10 searches and we want low competition. Now this is going to give us all of those keywords that have low competition and at least 10 searches. And we can sort it by the number of searches. So idea, woodworking, wood projects. Jewelry box, plans, woodworking, easy woodworking, wood projects. So I think this one would be a good one, like easy woodworking, wood projects. Toy box, plans, woodworking, DIY woodworking, workbench plans. This one's really, really good because it's very related to our product. You always want to make sure that the keywords are relevant to the product, like really close, because you're paying per click. You're not paying and they're just going to buy. If you just did woodworking, or you did like something like a shoe cubby woodworking plans, and maybe he doesn't have a plan for that, if you haven't looked through the product and seen that it advertises stuff like that, you could be out of luck. So it depends what it is. All of these seem pretty good though for the most part. DIY projects wood is a little too broad, I think. You want to make sure it's woodworking and you're matching the intent, because when they hit your landing page and it goes to this offer, you want to make sure it matches up all the way through and it's exactly what they're looking for. When you match that intent with the customer, that's when the magic happens. We can look back at the website to get more ideas for things we can search up. We can see that, it's talking a lot about plans, woodworking plans. Maybe you could save money on those plans, and here's like the types of projects you can build. So like a swing set, you can see like it's holding logs, and like looks like a castle bridge type of thing. You can see that there's shelves and there's a countertop. So all of these things are things we need to be looking for in our keyword planner. If we need to, what we can say is we can say woodworking plan, and we can say something like rack, or something like, like a countertop or a rack or something. So when it says rack, that won't work, but maybe covered wood rack plans, woodworking DIY again, DIY wood rack plans. So these are really tight knit. And you might think 10 searches, who cares, right? The competition is so low that it's either not listed or it's just low. But if you add all these up and you get 50 to 60 of these, and then you start adding all that together, you start getting huge volumes, and you're the only one that's ranking for that, so you're dominating that offer. If you want to crush an offer, then you're gonna have to hone in on the intent and that offer and try to make it work. So what you want to do is start making these keywords as a part of a list. So what you can do is you can create like an Excel sheet, you can put them all in there, put the average monthly searches, the competition as well. You can also just hit export, or you can save them to your account. You can even take some of the ad groups and try to save them and do stuff like that. The point is you want to put those keywords in a special spot where you're not going to forget them, the best ones, the most relevant ones, and then you will be ready to promote a product like Ted's Woodworking, because now you have those keywords that people are searching for. You know there's a market for that. You know people are looking to buy for that. Some other things you want to look for are the words like best, top, buy, get, because those are actions. People have high intent. They're ready to buy right now. They're looking for a review right before they buy. How many times have you ever looked up a review on YouTube or a blog, or you've seen an ad and you clicked on it, it takes you to a landing page, like a little mini review on a product, because you want to know more about it before you buy it, right? That could be you. You could have an ad with the blog post reviewing it, and you can say, this is Ted's Woodworking. If you want to try it out, click the button here right now. This offer is limited time only. And you can do that sort of thing and link to the affiliate offer. Also, the awesome thing about Microsoft Ads, at least right now, is they allow direct linking to affiliate offers. I don't recommend that, because when you have multiple touch points and you can get somebody to click on a landing page and even collect their email and follow up, you have a better chance of securing that sale and having a lifetime value out of that customer. However, sometimes it reduces the friction to the offer, so it depends on the offer. We can go more into detail about that later on. I'm gonna make more videos on how to promote this product using ClickBank, using Microsoft Ads, and we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty of developing a funnel using one of my favorite tools, Drop Funnels, and I'm gonna show you how to build the whole workflow so you can start generating sales and getting people to go buy. If you like this video, say yes in the comments below and stomp on that like button. Smack the crap out of that subscribe button and flick on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to grow your business fast and create a lifestyle you love. You gotta see the video right after this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.